Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn live photos off. First of all, open up the settings of your phone, then scroll down and tap on camera. Then click on preserve settings. At the end, there is an option for live photos. Turn it off from preserve the live photo setting. Now open the camera of your phone and click on the arrow. There is a live photo option. Turn it off. That is how you can turn the live photo mode off. From this point forward, any photos you capture will be standard still images without the added live photo feature. It is important to note that live photos need to be turned off individually for each photo session. Turning off live photos is persistent, meaning that if you disable it for one session, the setting will be remembered for subsequent sessions until you manually enable it again. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.